Hello and welcome to the Power Bank Expert YouTube channel. Today we're going to be looking at another power bank model from INIU. So recently I have been unboxing several models from this company, and as a full disclosure, they have been offered to me by the company themselves. However, they have nothing to say regarding how I do the unboxing or my reviews, so that is totally up to me. So let's start by first looking at the front of the box. So obviously we can see image of the power bank itself, and we can see also the company logo and some details about the power bank here, and the fact that it comes with power delivery, which is quite important, one of the most important fast charging technologies. It can supply up to 20 watts of power, and it has a capacity of 20,000 milliamp hour. So that's it from the front of the box. On the size of the box there's not much info to go by, but sadly there's also not much info to go by on the back of the box either. The only, let's say, more important information that we can gather from the back side of the box is the fact that it comes with a 3 years warranty, which is above average from what you can usually find in power banks. The standard time is either 1 year or 2 years. So let's say that this power bank, this company actually offers extended warranty ranges, I think, which is a good sign, which means that the company is willing to stand behind the quality of the products that they produce. So without further ado, let's have a look at what's inside the box. So we can immediately see the power bank itself, enclosed in a plastic bag. Let's take it out and put it aside from now. Here we have a charging cable. It's a USB type A to a USB type C charging cable, and it comes with plastic covers at the end of each part of the cable. It also comes with a traveling pouch with the INIU logo here, a standard plastic traveling pouch, which can come in handy if you don't want to scratch your power bank while you carry it in your backpack or some other places that. And here inside we have the welcome guide. So in the welcome guide we have more information about the power bank, which, to be honest, I would like to have seen on the box, but it's also good to have it listed here. So we have more information regarding capacity, the size, weight, input and output values, fast charging protocols. So this one comes with PD 3.0, and of course it's downwards compatible, and also it's very nice to see that the USB type A port is compatible with Quick Charge 4.0, which is the latest fast charging update for Quick Charge. So right now you cannot find that many power banks which are compatible with Quick Charge 4.0. So this is definitely a big plus for this power bank. And here are some more information about charging the power bank and other things you need to be careful with. And then you go into other languages. So let's have a closer look at the power bank itself, and let's start by removing the plastic cover. As you can see, I pressed the power button as I was unpacking it, and this power bank comes pre-charged and it's 83% charged already, and the power button is here on the side. On the front we can just see the INIU logo and a quite narrow LED display screen. You can always see how much power you have by pressing the power button on the side, as I previously mentioned. And this is actually much more convenient than the classic way of power banks that display power, which is the 4 or 5 LEDs, each of them signifying 20 or 25% of charge. With this type of LED screen, you are able to see exactly how much power the power bank has, and this can be very convenient. And looking at the side, here is just the power button. Here we don't have nothing, and here we have the input and output ports. So as you can see, it comes with two different USB type A output ports, one on each side of the power bank, and in the middle you have the USB type C input and output port, which is the, let's say, the more modern type of input port, and it has replaced the micro USB input ports, and it's able to provide more power and faster charging. So this is the type of port that is compatible with power delivery. And here we can also see that this power bank comes with a flashlight, which is a very useful feature to have. Can be quite handy when you're stuck in a dark place. You can easily light it up by pressing the power button 2 times. As you can see, it works very well. And if the power bank is charged, then you can use this flashlight for days at a time if you don't use it to charge your other devices, because this type of flashlight consumes very little power. And if we were to look at the backside of the power bank, it comes with some details about its capacity, and you can see it's under the 100 watt-hour limit that is enforced by airlines, so you can definitely take this kind of power bank with you on flights. And here we can see input and output power levels and some manufacturer information. The plastic casing is made out of a sturdy matte plastic, and I put my fingers on it. They don't leave marks, so you cannot see fingerprints. However, I think this screen is a little bit sensitive to fingerprints, but they seem to disappear quite fast. So I'd say that it's a very nice build. It's not prone to fingerprints. If you want not to scratch it, I would recommend you wearing in that travel pouch it comes with, but I wouldn't expect it to get scratched really easy under normal usage circumstances. However, if you carry it around, for example, in your pocket together with your keys, you might expect to see some scratches develop over time. Overall, I think it's a very sturdy and quite powerful power bank at 13,000 mAh. It's a power bank, if you use it lightly, I believe you can charge your phone for several days. So for a regular phone, maybe 4 or 5 times of charge, but that's enough maybe for a week of in and out use, let's say. So I say that this can be a good workhorse type of power bank, a daily power bank that you can use, because it's not that heavy, so you wouldn't be annoyed, let's say, carrying it around with you. So it's something that you can put in your backpack and simply forget about it. Yeah, so that was the unboxing of this power bank. Thank you for joining me today, and see you next time in one of my videos. Bye bye.